if I should stay or be alone.
To the straight to the to the to the brain.